Brother, if you have video every 2 hours, the views increase by 2 to 3 hours. Every one of your videos is very good. That's why I was saying that, brother. If you have a lot of followers but very few views, so I was saying, brother, I will be great if you upload video every 2 to 3 hours so you have get a lot of views. Okay. Okay, sister, heart is very pure and you have a good intention to me. But you know what? That I am a working person and I don't have enough time and I'm not full-time working in Facebook. So your advice is good. But for us, for me, I have a specific time to upload. Okay? 2 to 3 hours is okay. But if you guys are upload 2 to 3 hours, when you upload and your views are not yet 100 views and it's not good and it's not appropriate, if you receive from Facebook that you receive notification that you got 100 views and you can create new one reels, for example like this, congratulations, your views are 100 and you can create new reels again, or you got the notification from Meta like this, guys, you can upload at the same time. Because you know, if you receive notification from Meta that you have already achieved 100 views or you already achieved 10 reaction, so you just create new one, because Meta are asking you to upload new one because Meta will suggest your video. Okay, so for my side, guys, it's minimum 1,000 views on my video every upload. So as you can see in my content, it's 1,000 of views on my reels, so it's not bad. But you know, if you upload 2 to 3 hours every time, then upon checking, I checked the Sister Dulao. I checked the Sister Ano Dulao reels. It's like 200, 300 views. So guys, it's not all about, you know, 2 to 3 hours you are uploading. It's all about engagement. So it doesn't mean that every 2 to 3 hours you are uploading, so you need to engage also. For me, so as you can see, the videos that I have, every person that I replied, and the same time I'm visiting their profile. So I'm not, you know, I'm not engaging to the other people without visiting their profile. So that's my point of view, because you know, these people are expecting us to visit them also, because I'm referring to those people same like us, because I belong myself as not a big content creator, so we are small followers as well. So every person that I reply on my comment section, I'm visiting them also and comment on their video, watch on their video. So that's my point of view, guys. So 2 to 3 hours is okay. It's good advice for, as per sister, as per her, she advised me to upload every 2 to 3 hours, that you know I gain more views. So sister, I have a view, so 1,000 minimum video I have 1,000 view, and I'm happy on that, because if you are uploading every 2 to 3 hours, then even though it's not yet reach 100 views, then again you upload again, so it's not good. So at least you reach 100, or you reach, give you notification that you can upload new one, and that time, guys, you need to upload, because Facebook will suggest your videos or your text post or your photo post that you are uploading if you upload at the same time when you got the notification. So guys, I hope it's very clear to you, and please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.